Welcome to Learner's Prep. In this session, we will solve some more problems based on the concept of problems on ages. This is the second session in this topic. Question number 16. 8 years from now, A will be as old as B was 6 years ago. C was born 4 years ago. The average age of A, B and C 8 years from now will be 32 years. What is the present age of A? So here A plus 8 is equals to B minus 6. C was born 4 years ago. The average age of A, B and C, A plus 8 plus B plus 8 plus C plus 8. C is 4. C plus 8 divided by 3 is equals to 32. So this is A plus B plus 28 is equals to 96. So A plus B is equals to 96 minus 28. That is 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 minus 2, 6. A plus B is equal to 68. And B is equal to 68 minus A. So in place of B, substitute 68 minus A. So that is A plus 8 is equals to 68 minus A minus 6. So A plus A is a 2A, 68 minus 8 minus 6. 2A is equal to 68 minus 8 is 60. 60 minus 6 is 54. So A is equals to 27 years. So present age of A is 27 years. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 17. A is as much younger to B as he is older to C. If the sum of the ages of B and C is 48 years, what is the age of A? A is as much younger to B. So that means B minus A. Who is younger here? A is younger than B. So A is as much younger to B. B minus A. As much younger to B as he is older to C. So when you compare A and C, who is older? A is older. So this is equals to A is older than C. So A is as much younger to B as he is older to C. So this is the equation that we can form. If the sum of the ages of B and C is 48 years, B plus C is equals to 48 years. So here B plus C is equals to A plus A, 2A. So here B plus C is 48. In place of B plus C, you can write 2A. 2A is equals to 48. A is equals to 48 divided by 2, 24. A is 24 years. So answer is option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years. With C joining them, the average becomes 22 years. How old is C now? 3 years ago. So current ages let us assume as A and B. 3 years ago we should subtract 3 from both. The average was 18 years plus by 2 is equals to 18. So this is a plus b minus 6 is equal to 36. 18 into 2 by cross multiplication. So a plus b is equal to 36 plus 6, 42. With C joining them, the average becomes 22 years. So A plus B plus C, the average of all the three is 22. So A plus B we know 42 plus C by 3 is equals to 22. So simplify this, 42 plus C is equal to 66. C is equal to 66 minus 42. So that is equals to 24. So age of C is 24 years. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 19. 1 year ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. After 6 years, his age exceeds than twice of his son's age by 9 years. What is the ratio of their present ages? So let us analyze the question. Father, let us assume as F. Son, let us assume as S. 1 year ago, minus 1. 1 year ago, a father was 4 times as old as his son. 4 times, multiply by 4. So, if you simplify this, f minus 1 is equal to 4s minus 4. And another statement is, after 6 years, father and son. After 6 years is plus 6. After 6 years, his age, his means father's age, exceeds than twice of his son's age by 9 years. So age of the father is equal to 2 times of son's age plus 9. So exceeds twice of his son's age by 9 years plus 9. Simplify this. F plus 6 is equals to 2s plus 12 plus 9. So f plus 6 is equals to 2s plus 21. So f is equals to 2s plus 21 minus 6 is 15. So substitute the value of f in the first equation. So f is 2s plus 15. 2s plus 15 minus 1 is equals to 4s minus 4. So 15 minus 1, 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 4s minus 2s is 2s. S is equal to 9. So substitute s value 9 in the second equation. So father's age is 2 times of 9 plus 15. So father is 18 plus 15. 18 plus 15. So which is equals to 33. So age of the ratio of ages. Father 33, son is 9. If you simplify 3 11s, 3 3s. So the ratio is 11:3. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 20. In 10 years, A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. If A is now 9 years older than B, find the present age of B. In 10 years, so let us assume the ages of A and B, present ages as A and B. In 10 years, so add 10 to both. So A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. Sorry, you have to subtract C here. So A will be twice as old as B was 10 years ago. So this is A plus 10 is equals to 2B minus 20. So A is equals to 2B minus 30. If A is now 9 years older than B, A is 9 years older than B. A is B plus 9. Find the present age of B. So in place of A, substitute B plus 9 here. B plus 9 is equals to 2B minus 30. So 9 plus 30 is equals to 2B minus B. So B is equals to 39 years. So the correct answer is option A is the correct answer. 39 years is the age of B. So we need to form an equation using the given statements and try to solve those equations. Question number 21. The average age of A and B is 20 years. If C were to replace A, the average would be 19 and the average of C and A is 21. The ages of A, B and C respectively are. So let us try to analyze. The average age of A and B is 20 years. So A plus B by 2 is 20. A plus B is equals to 40 by cross multiplication. If C were to replace A, so that means B plus C by 2, the average would be 19. So that means B plus C is equals to 38. And the average of A and C is 21. A and C is 21. So A plus C is equals to 42. So if you add all these three equations, A plus A is 2A, B plus B is 2B plus 2C. 40 plus 38, 78. 78 plus 42, 120. So take 2 common, A plus B plus C is 120. A plus B plus C is equal to 60. 120 by 2 is 60. Now he is asking the individual ages of A, B and C. So from A plus B plus C, if you subtract B plus C, you will get the age of A. That is 60. B plus C is 38. 60 minus 38, which is equal to 22. Similarly, from A plus B plus C, subtract A plus C, you will get the age of B. 60 minus 42, 18. Next, from A plus B plus C, subtract A plus B, that is 20. So the ages of A, B and C are 22, 18 and 20. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 22. Mohan's age is 9 by 11th of his brother's age, and the age of Mohan's father is 23 years more than the age of Mohan. If the average age of Mohan's father and Mohan's brother is 27 years, find the age of Mohan. Mohan's age, let us assume as M, is 9 by 11th of his brother's age. Brother we will assume as B. So M is equal to 9 by 11 B. So M by B is equal to 9 by 11. M is to B is equal to 9 is to 11. Mohan and brother, the ages are in the ratio of 9 and 11. And the age of Mohan's father is 23 years more than the age of Mohan. So let us assume Mohan has 9x here and brother has 11x. Brother has 11x. So Mohan's father is 23 years more than the age of Mohan. So that is Mohan is 9x plus 23. And Mohan's father and Mohan's brother, if the average age of Mohan's father and Mohan's brother is 27 years. So average age of Mohan, brother and father, all the three, is equals to 27 years. So Mohan plus brother plus father is 27 into 3 is 81. So let us substitute here brother and father's ages. Mohan is 9x. Mohan is 9x. Brother is 11x. Father is 9x plus 23, which is equal to 81. So let us find out the value of x. 9 plus 11, 20. 20 plus 9, 29x is equal to 81 minus 23. So 29x is equal to 81 minus 23. 11 minus 3, 8. 7 minus 2, 5. 29x is equal to 58. X is equal to 2. So x value is equals to 2. So we need to find out the age of Mohan. So age of Mohan. Age of Mohan is 9x. 9x, which is 9 into 2. 18 years. 18 years is the age of Mohan. Correct answer is option A. Question number 23. The average age of 12 men is decreased by 1 year when two of them having ages 28 years and 32 years are replaced by two women of same age. What is the age of the woman? So the average age of 12 men, let us assume it as X. So average age of 12 men. Average age of 12 men. Let us assume it as X. So total age is 12x. 12 into x, that is 12x. So average is decreased by 1 when two men with ages 28 and 32. So from 12x we need to subtract 28 and 32 because they are living. 28 and 32. So they are living. And two women of the same age. Two women of the same age. W, let us assume W as the age of woman. They joined. Then the average will be same again, 12. Because two men left and two women joined. So this is a new average. So this new average is less than the previous average. So that is a question. The average age of 12 men is decreased by 1 year when two of them having ages 28 years and 32 years are replaced by two women of same age. So the average age is X. This is decreased by 1. So the difference between the previous average and the present average is 1. So let us simplify by taking LCM. 12 is a LCM. 12 times x is 12x minus 12x plus 28 plus 32 minus w is equals to 1. Simplify this. 12x gets cancelled. 28 plus 32 is 60 minus 2w. 60 minus 2w by 12 is equals to 1. So on cross multiplication, 60 minus 2w is equals to 12. 2w is equal to 60 minus 12. 2w is equals to 48. W is equals to 24. So age of woman is 24 years. Age of woman is 24 years. So 24 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 24. The average age of a couple is 24 years when they were married 5 years ago. But now the average age of the husband, wife and child is 20 years. The child was born during the interval. What is the present age of the child? So when they were married 5 years ago. So 5 years ago their average age was 24 years. So wife and husband. Husband and wife. 5 years ago. So subtract 5 years. 5 years ago the average was 24. Add and divided by 2, that is 24. So that is husband plus wife minus 10 is equals to 48. So husband plus wife is equals to 48 plus 10, 58. So sum of the present ages is 58. And but now the average age of husband, wife and child. So average age of husband, wife and child, all the three, is equals to 20. So husband plus wife is 58 plus child is equal to, by cross multiplication it is 60. C is equal to 60 minus 58. C is 2 years. So what is C? Age of the child. Age of the child is 2 years. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 25. The age of A, B and C are 17, 16 and 12 respectively. If the age of D also included, the average of ages is increased by 5. What is the age of D? So, what are the ages of A, B and C? A, B and C. 17, 16 and 12. So, if the age of D also included, the average of the ages is increased by 5. So, D we don't know. So, let us find out the average of all these three. Average is 17 plus 16, 33. 17 plus 16 is 33 plus 12 is 45 by 3 is 15. So, average is 15. So, if D is also increased, so the average increases by 5. So, 45 is the sum of all the three ages. 45 plus D by 4. So, 45 is sum of the ages of A, B and C, and age of D when included, the average increases by 5. So, previous average 15. So, it becomes plus 5, which is 20. So, if you add 5, you will get 20. Simplify this and find the value of D. 45 plus D is 4 into 20 is 80. D is equals to 80 minus 45. So, D is equals to 35. Age of D is 35 years. So, the correct answer is option D is the right answer. Question number 26. A father said to his daughter that at the time of your birth, I was double of your age. I was double of your present age. If the daughter's age at present is 15 years, what is the father's age 5 years later? So, let us write here father and daughter. Father and daughter. So, father is saying to daughter that at the time of your birth, I was double of your present age. If the daughter's present age is 15 years, so daughter's present age is 15 years. And father's age at the time of the birth of the daughter is 15. At the time of the birth of the daughter is 30. And the age of the daughter is 15. So that means another 15 years to be added to father to find out the present age of the father. So, present age of daughter is 15 years. So, at the time of birth of the daughter, father was double, that is 30, and include 15, that is age of the daughter. So, that gives the age of the father. So, present ages of father and daughter is 45 and 15. He is asking what is the father's age 5 years later. 5 years later plus 5. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 years will be the age of the father 5 years later. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 27. The ratio of the present ages of a son and his father is 1:5 and that of his mother and father is 4:5. After 2 years, the ratio of the age of the son to that of his mother becomes 3:10. What is the present age of the father? So, son and father, the ratio is 1:5. and mother and father. You can take father and mother. The ages ratio is 5:4. You can combine the ratios. Son is to father is to mother is 1:5:4. So we can assume the ages as son as x, father as 5x, mother as 4x. So after 2 years, the ages of son to that of mother ratio will become 3:10. So the ratio of son and mother after 2 years, x plus 2, and mother is 4x plus 2. Son and mother, the ratio becomes 3:10. Simplify this by using the rule of proportion. Product of extremes and product of means. So we should multiply means and extremes. 12x plus 6 is equals to 10x plus 20. 2x is equals to 20 minus 6, 14. X is equals to 7. So what is the present age of the father? Father is 5x. That is 5 into 7. Father is 35 years older. So the answer is option D. Question number 28. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was. So it is similar to the previous question, father and son. So father is saying to son, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. So if the father's age is 38 years now, so present ages of son, let us assume as x, and father's age at the time of birth of the son is also x, and present age of father plus and one more x. So this is 2x is the present age of the father, x is the present age of the son. So it is given that father's age is 38 years now. So 2x is equal to 38. So x is equal to 19. So father is 38 and son is 19 presently. The son's age 5 years ago. So son's age is son's present age is 19 years. 19 years. So he is asking 5 years back. 5 years ago. So son is equal to 19 minus 5 is 14 years. 14 years is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 29. 4 times of the age of a mother is equal to 9 times the age of her daughter. After 9 years, the mother's age will be twice her daughter's age. What is the present age of the daughter? 4 times the age of the mother. So mother, let us assume M and daughter as D. 4 times the age of the mother is equal to 9 times the age of her daughter. So this is the equation. After 9 years, mother and daughter, after 9 years plus 9 to both of them. Mother's age will be twice her daughter's age. Twice means 2 times. So what is the present age of the daughter? D value we have to find out. So m plus 9 is equals to 2d plus 18. M is equals to 2d plus 18 minus 9 is plus 9. Substitute the value of m in this equation. 4 times 2d plus 9 is equals to 9d. 8d plus 4 9s 36 is equals to 9d. So 8d goes to the other side. It becomes minus 8d. 9d minus 8d is equal to 36. D is equal to 36. So age of the daughter is 36 years. So correct answer is option C is the correct answer. Question number 30. 4 children are born at intervals of 2 years. On adding their ages, we get the sum of 40 years. How old is the eldest child? So let us assume the ages as x. The youngest child age is x years. Next 2 years interval, so x plus 2, and then x plus 4, x plus 6. So these are the ages of the children who are born at the intervals of 2 years. On adding their ages, we get the sum of 40 years. Add all of them. The sum is equal to 40 years. So what do you get? By simplification, find the value of x. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x plus 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 4x is equals to 40 minus 12 is 28. X is equal to 28 by 4 is 7. So how old is the eldest child? So age of eldest child is x plus 6, that is 7 plus 6, which is 13 years. 13 years is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So these are the problems based on the concept of problems on ages. So I try to cover almost all the models of questions. So if you come across any more models, you can mention them in the comment box. So we'll meet in the next session with another topic. Thank you.